Get ready for October. Here are 10 essential shirt styles to make an impact at every breast cancer awareness event.
Pink, 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 pink. There it is. 4365, ladies. Polo, 78181, ladies polo. How do we know it's a ladies polo? It's how the placket overlaps. The size of the placket. Skinnier, male unisex, placket thicker. Overlaps the other way. What's the real importance of that? I don't know. Marketing. But this is pink. This is a 2XL. It's on the larger size. I want to say it goes up to 3XL. You can correct me on the screen. Again, 28181. Charity pink. Good option. Goodbye. Next, what do we have? We have Tultex with a tearaway tag. Not exactly pink, maybe a little more fuchsia, maybe a little bit more on the purple side. But we're there. We like options. This is the ladies slim fit fine jersey tee, also known as the 0213TC. Okay, let's not make that easy at all. Anyways, if you're trying to find it, that's what it is. Tultex. Slimmer fit, side seams, holds the structure. What are we made out of? 100% ring spun cotton, pre-shrunk. That means it won't shrink as much. Most people don't follow the standard wash options. Lots of colors. In the month of October, we're only going to really want fuchsia or pink. Maybe a little bit of purple. Tultex. Nice basic option. Tearaway tag, what does that mean? I could rip this away, add a tag print. What would I want to put in the tag print? All kinds of things. You could put your company label there. You could put the size label there. You can add a special saying for the month of October. You can do a special dedication to someone in there. You could do nothing. You can just get rid of the label. You don't have to feel that. Sometimes that's a good option. Anyways, that's it. Tultex. Good. Next. The Bella Canvas. 100% cotton. Long sleeve. We're going to roll what this style number is on the screen. Kind of nice, right? This is like a soft pink. How beautiful that looks in the light. Long sleeve option. October. You know what it is. Anyways, good option. Check it out. Lots of colors. We're talking about pink. Gildan G200. Classic shirt style. Coarse, scratchy, sturdy, lighter weight than some of their heavyweight options. Still a good option. Tearaway tag. What you see on here right now is a multicolored screen print with plastisol ink. Looks like we got an underbase. Looks like we got some kind of blend. So some kind of halftones happening. Green here, yellow there. We'll get a little bit of mix here, and that makes a limer green. It's actually teal. Anyways, good option. Pink. I want to say this is a fuchsia. Maybe a pink berry. We'll roll the correct size on the screen. Or color. Can't go wrong. Economical, basic tee. All right, now we have a Sport-Tek here. Let's get the style number. Style number ST420. This is a very popular 100% polyester option. It's with lighter weights, moisture wicking, has a UPF rating of 50, has a removable tag, and that's for comfort and relabeling. It goes up to 4XL. There's also a ladies version and a youth version. This one here is the ST420. Okay, next option here, another Bella Canvas option. This is a 52-48, 52% cotton, 48% polyester. We'll run the style number on the screen. Nice, lightweight option, if that's what you like. I'm not a fan of the lightweight options. You can see I have this nice AS color shirt here. Heavyweight option. That's because I'm a little fluffy and I like to hide that. But lightweight option, you're in a hot area, humid area. This is awesome. Feels so good. When I'm not feeling so fluffy, I like to wear these. So what we have here, It's a nice water-based print. Look how bright and vibrant that is on this shirt. It's like a heathered pink, left chest there. Super bright and vibrant. So that's probably with some discharging too. Discharge water-based ink. Great to print on, great to embroidery on, great to DTF on, great to do all those things. Devin and Jones. Devin and Jones. We have the DG20, DG20. Dirty, Ghetto, and 20. Maybe that's not appropriate. But it is the DG20, Devin and Jones. That's not Jones with a G, that's Jones with a J. Again, DG20. This is the Crown Raspberry Extra Large Polo. It's a nice option if you just don't want a straight up soft pink. It's got a little bit of purple in there, a little bit of blue in there. You know your colors. Nice sturdy construction, a little heavier weight. It's got a nice knit to it. This one is a 60% polyester, 39% cotton. So it's gonna be a little softer. Not as much shrinkage, but there probably will be a little bit, especially if you wash on high heat and dry on high heat. Hopefully everybody knows that is the worst thing you can do to any shirt. But that's it, DG20. We have a Paragon. Soft pink. What are we working with here? So nice, they put all the styles in there. Style 200. Look at that shimmer. Great pink option. And by Threadfast Apparel. Clearly this is pigment dyed, because if you look at this tag, how pink it is, that tag was on there when they dyed the shirt. It's a different process. This is a 60% cotton, 40% polyester. It's another nice basic weight tee, this time from Threadfast. Finer spun cotton than your Gildan classic style shirt. It's a thinner, lightweight option if you like that. Here we have a plastisol screen print underbase, light blue, white, black coming last. No underbase on that guy. Gives you that nice vibrancy. These sort of ring spun, smooth spun cottons, they print really well. It avoids a lot of defibrillation, which is when a coarser shirt, all the hairs and fibers stand up from the fabric, which makes it difficult to lay down a nice flat surface for us to print on. And so a lot of times if you have a lot of the defibrillation, it stands up, gets scratchy. However, that may be a look you're going for, that may be the aesthetic. This is not the shirt to get that. This is smooth, this is flat, there's no heat press involved after the screen print. This is straight off the press into the box. This is what it looks like. That is plastisol screen printing done well. Okay, next pink option, District. The very important T is what they call it on the tag. So we have a tearaway label here. It is the 544, hopefully, that's what it says on here. District T, V-neck. It's the very important T V-neck. It's a 4.3 ounce, 100% ring spun cotton. They also have heather colors that are 50-50. Again, tearaway label, if you need to do some decoration in there. Lots of great colors. Technically, this is called the DT6503. There is a unisex companion, which is the DT6500. What shirt color do you think this is? This is the Dusty Peach.
Support breast cancer awareness this October. Choose your pink today